In the current world that we live in, video content is so important. And this is really cool because it means that we can create some amazing opportunities for ourselves. We can scale our businesses, we can become freelance, we can do whatever we want by harnessing the power of video. But the problem is, this means there are so many others doing the exact same. So when competition is tough, what do? You need to level up your videos. And that is where I come in. I'm Chris, I'm a filmmaker and a photographer. I have been freelance for the past 8 years, but I've worked with so many other brands, including Universal Music, BBC, ITV. I've created content and this has been seen by billions. I run this channel and my whole goal on this channel is to help you to create better video content. So regardless of whether you're an independent business owner, you're a freelancer, you're a hobbyist filmmaker, this channel is going to help you to create better video content. Now, if you scroll back through all of the video content, you can see that I have created over 1,000 videos for you, and I will be creating brand new video content for you every single week. So if you would love to learn how to make better video content, then please consider pressing the subscribe button and watching one of our videos. And if you can't find what you're looking for on this channel, if there's an effect that you really want to know or a technique that you just can't quite master and you can't find the tutorial, just drop us a comment and we'll make some video content for you explaining how to do that process. So if you're ready to create some amazing video content, then let's get started. And the best place to get started is this playlist or this playlist. Either one of these are going to get you set up in no time.